Hi children, welcome to this session. In this session, we are going to learn how to make a diary entry. Okay, diary entry. Diary entry is a minor discourse given in paper 1 part C. What is diary? Diaries are a record of entries which describe what happened over the course of your life. A diary is a place where you can be honest with yourself, describe what you have observed, and sound your thoughts about things that happened in life. It is also a place where you can speak with ease, reflect, and dream. You can simply note down anything you want with words. It is a tool for expressing thoughts and feelings of oneself. The language and format of diary is different from the other discourses, of course. The learner should be sensitized on the features of a diary. Let us know the objectives of writing diary. Children will be able to understand the powerful expressions of thoughts and feelings. They keep a track of key events, thoughts, and feelings in their daily life. They can express their likes and dislikes in short and powerful sentences. But one thing they have to remember that use language appropriate to the mood of the situation while writing diary. Okay, now let's know what are the things that are to be added in your diary entry. Date your entries properly. Use a formula called Dear Diary as a salutation. Choose a topic of heading to the context. Be sincere in writing it and ask yourself questions. I mean, you have to be true within your heart and you have to write the true things that had happened in that event. Let's have a glance on the features of a diary. The first one is layout. The second one is date. The third one is day. A fourth one is time. Fifth one is heading, that indicating the mood of the day that you are writing the diary. And the sixth one, salutation. You can mention Dear Diary as your salutation, or My dear lovely diary, or you can also put a salutation like My dear only soul, etc. You can keep anything, but it is mandatory to keep a heading related to the context. Then the seventh one is the important one, body of the diary. And in the body of the diary, in the ending, you have to give a conclusion with a proper closing. Then after, the last and the eighth one, signature. You have to put your signature in the bottom. Dear children, let us know some of the opening lines in writing diary. You can use these sentences while writing diary as your opening words. Okay, fine. Today I am very happy. Today I am so much excited. It's very sad day for me today. This day is very bad for me. Today is an awesome day in my life. It's a wonderful day in my life. Today is an extreme amazing day for me. So such type of expressions can be added while you start writing the diary. You can open with these lines.
Here, let's see the diary of a child, Traya Sanjeev.
Here we go with a sample diary.
Dear children, you keep the layout to your diary first.
First of all, we have to write a heading. Then date, the date that you are writing the diary. Then after, here, day, the day you have to mention there. After that, time. You can see time here, we can mention like this also. Later, the main thing, the mood of the day should be the heading. My happiest day. It is the mood of the day. And now we can start like this with the salutation. Dear diary, today I felt so happy. I completed my English homework and submitted to my English teacher in time. My friends too completed their homeworks. Looking at my handwriting, our English teacher called me and appreciated me and said, "Keep it up, my girl." For the first time I got appreciation from her. So it's the happiest day for me. I will remember this day and will work more to get first rank in my class. Oh, lot of work is pending. Bye bye, my dear lovely diary. Sweet dreams. So, this is the body of the diary. Then, after, you will close your diary writing with your signature. You can see here the signature. Okay, now let us see one more model diary written by a group of students. You can see the heading there in capital, diary. Then, after, the context heading, a bad day. You can also write like this. No problem, you can put heading on the top also. Then, after, date, time,
and a salutation, my lovely dear.
Hi, my dear diary. This day is bad for me because my daughters behaved so bad. My daughters planned to take my property and they thought I am dead. So I felt very bad this day. It's too late. Bye bye, my lovely diary. Good night.
And here you can see the signature followed by the body of the diary.
So, this was the question given in the public examination in 2017. In that, it was asked that write the thoughts of Abel Merriweather about his daughter's behavior. The only thing that you have to understand is while writing a diary, you must be very true and you have to write everything openly and freely. I hope you understood how to write a diary and the features of the diary. Okay, my dear children, let's meet with another interesting topic in our next video. Until then, take care. Bye bye.